love I can't explain slowly finds me. Smoke rises like a prayer, floating through the room. Time slows down and meets me here as the jebena pours. My heart learns patience. Waiting becomes sacred. In the quiet, what kind of love teaches us to be human? What kind of stillness brings us home? Abol, my first love, the first cup that opened my heart. Tona, blessing poured again, a second chance to receive. Bereka, sacred longing. Even when the cup is empty, the love remains. Hands remember what words forget. Fire listens before it speaks. Ancestors breathe through the steam. In every sip, I return to me. Not rushed, not loud, just presence, just now. From beam to fire, from fire to heart. Find on treasure, cobalt, my first love. Tona, blessing renewed. Bereka, sacred longing. Coffee gathers us home. When the coffee rolls, the aroma surrounds me, and in the silence, I remember